Is yawning contagious? Yes, yawning is generally considered contagious. When we see or hear someone yawn, we may also feel the urge to yawn. Although the exact reason for this is not fully understood, it is thought to be related to empathy and our social bonds. Some possible reasons why yawning is contagious. Empathy, our ability to understand and share the feelings of others, can make yawning contagious. When we see someone yawn, we may think they are tired or bored and feel the same emotion ourselves. Social bonds, yawning can be a social behavior and promote harmony within a group. When one person yawns in a group, the others yawning can strengthen the sense of unity within the group. Brain activity, certain areas of the brain become active during yawning. When we see someone yawn, similar activity may begin in these areas, and we may feel the need to yawn. So why do we yawn? Although the exact reason for yawning is not known, it is generally thought that the body is trying to meet its oxygen needs and stimulate the brain. Conditions such as fatigue, lack of sleep, boredom, or monotonous tasks can increase the urge to yawn. Interestingly, yawning is not only seen in humans but also in many animal species. Chimpanzees, dogs, and even some bird species yawn. This suggests that yawning has an evolutionary origin. In conclusion, yawning is both a physiological and social behavior and is notable for its contagious nature. Although there are still many unknowns about this subject, research on the effects of yawning on human relationships and social bonds continues.